Hi everyone, this is a Hobby Lobby sale video. I hope you will sit back and enjoy. And from this video, I hope you see some of the seasonal things here that they have on display at Hobby Lobby. They have not only items for Halloween, October, but they also have November, Thanksgiving, and December, Christmas. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. And I forget, you will see some farmhouse decor also. So by now you should have seen several DIYs or home decor that you like. Comment down below and let me know. I see several that I'm going to try. Keep watching and see out of all these slides which ones that I decide to DIY for the upcoming season. A little small commercial break. Have you subscribed? And share the video if you want to. But subscribe with that button down below. Thank you. Did you subscribe? If not, subscribe down below. I have more DIY and home decor to come. Come along and be a part of my family here on my channel. So I hope you saw something that you like or something that you will refer to far as doing DIYs and home decor. That's why I did it this way as a slideshow so you can refer back to it if you need to. I didn't check prices or anything like that because I want you to be able to go in for the sale and see if you see something you like, to go and see if you can price it. Don't forget to use the coupons for more discount. And some things that you can DIY. So thank you for watching, and thank you, Amores. See you next time.